Have you ever wondered how to cultivate your own sweet corn right from the comfort of your home garden? The process might seem intimidating at first, but with some patience and a little bit of green thumb magic, you too can enjoy fresh, homegrown sweet corn. Our journey begins with the right seeds. Sweet corn seeds are readily available at local gardening stores or online. Choose a variety that suits your climate and your palate. Some popular choices include Golden Bantam, Silver Queen, and Ruby Queen. Next, ensure your garden soil is ready for planting. Sweet corn prefers a well-draining soil with a pH level between 6 and 7. You can easily test your soil's pH with a home testing kit. If the pH is too low, consider adding lime. If it's too high, add sulfur or compost. Now onto the planting. Sweet corn should be sown in the spring after the last frost. The seeds should be planted around 1 inch deep and about 9 to 12 inches apart. Plant in blocks rather than rows to aid pollination. Remember, sweet corn is wind-pollinated, so this will increase your chances of a good harvest. Watering is the next crucial step. Sweet corn needs about 1 inch of water per week, more if the weather is particularly hot. A good soaking once or twice a week should suffice. Avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. As your sweet corn plants start to grow, they might need some support. Consider adding a stake next to each plant and gently tying the plant to the stake. This can prevent your plants from toppling over in strong winds. The waiting game begins once you've done all that. It usually takes about 60 to 95 days for sweet corn to mature, depending on the variety. You'll know your sweet corn is ready to harvest when the tassels turn brown and the kernels are plump and juicy. Simply twist and pull to harvest your corn. So, to summarize, growing sweet corn at home might require some patience and effort, but the reward of biting into a fresh sweet cob of corn that you grew yourself is absolutely worth it, so why not give it a try? Your home garden is waiting to be transformed into a sweet corn haven.